Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WordPress with WP Engine for faster e-commerce performance. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section from the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for a new plugin. In the search bar, type WP Engine. Locate the WP Engine plugin in the search results. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once installed, click on the Activate button. Next, head to the WP Engine settings. You will need to input your WP Engine account details. If you don't have an account yet, visit the WP Engine website to create one. Once you are signed into WP Engine, copy your environment key. Return to your WordPress dashboard and paste the environment key in the WP Engine settings. Save your changes to confirm the setup. After saving, you will be prompted to connect your website to WP Engine. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection process. Once connected, navigate to your WP Engine dashboard. Here, you will find various performance optimization tools. Take time to familiarize yourself with the options available. Implement caching settings to enhance your site's speed. Consider using the CDN feature for better content delivery. Regularly monitor your site's performance through WP Engine Analytics. Apply adjustments as needed to maintain optimal speed. Finally, review your website on different devices to ensure compatibility. Your WordPress site should now be optimized for faster e-commerce performance with WP Engine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.